beauties! Welcome back to Beauty Cottage. Today we're tackling a common issue many of us face. Dark elbows, knees, and underarms. Whether it's from friction, genetics, or something else, we've got you covered with dermatologist-approved tips and some safe DIY remedies. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, I want you to know that having dark patches on your skin is completely normal and nothing to be ashamed of. Beauty comes in all shades, and while we're here to help you brighten up those areas, remember that you're amazing just the way you are. So, why do these areas get darker? There are several reasons. 1. Friction. Constant rubbing against clothing or surfaces can lead to darkening. 2. Genetics. Some people are more prone to pigmentation due to their genetics. 3. Hormonal changes. Hormones can play a big role, especially during puberty or pregnancy. 4. Sun exposure. UV rays can darken skin, especially if it's exposed frequently. 5. Skin conditions. Conditions like eczema or psoriasis can cause darkening as well. Now, let's talk about how to treat it. 1. Exfoliation. Using a gentle exfoliator can help remove dead skin cells. Look for products with glycolic acid or salicylic acid. 2. Chemical peels. In-office treatments by dermatologists can offer deeper exfoliation and faster results. 3. Laser therapy. For more stubborn dark spots, laser treatments can be highly effective. 4. Topical treatments. Creams with ingredients like hydroquinone, retinoids, or vitamin C can lighten the skin over time. Here are some products that can help. 1. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. A gentle exfoliator with salicylic acid that helps to remove dead skin cells and brighten the skin. 2. CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser. Contains salicylic acid for exfoliation and ceramides to help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. 3. Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Contains hydroquinone and glycolic acid to lighten dark spots and improve skin texture. 4. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. A glycolic acid toner that helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin. 5. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Dark Spot Corrector. Contains vitamin C and retinol to reduce the appearance of dark spots and improve skin tone. 6. La Roche-Posay Melody Pigment Control Glycolic Acid Serum. A serum with glycolic acid and kojic acid to help even skin tone and reduce dark spots. 7. Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+ PA++. A lightweight sunscreen that provides strong UV protection to prevent further darkening. 8. Lactin Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate and moisturize rough, dry skin. These products are well regarded for their effectiveness in treating hyperpigmentation and improving overall skin tone. Make sure to check the ingredients and suitability for your skin type before using them. Prefer something natural? Here are some safe DIY methods. 1. Lemon and honey. Mix lemon juice with honey and apply it to the dark areas. Leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. Lemon has natural bleaching properties, and honey soothes the skin. 2. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the dark areas daily. It helps in soothing and lightening the skin. 3. Turmeric paste. Mix turmeric with milk to form a paste. Apply, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then wash off. Turmeric is known for its brightening properties. And that's it for today's video. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skin care. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. See you next time, beauties. Bye.